Like most of you out there, I happen to have few kids as well, and one of them happened to be a little princess. Throughout building this CNC mill, she would keep me company and even bring me snacks to garage. She even took this Polaroid picture of me to mark a start day of build. So just what I was planning to make a little gift. I'm gonna use this 3x3 solid aluminum and carve a little hand crank music box with a little bit of engraving and some personalized message, and surprise her with that. So this way she will remember those days every time she plays that music box. Let's get started. I don't have any long carbide, so I'm gonna use high speed, and I'll just go easy on feet and speed. Okay, we got a box cut to the side. I'm just gonna do quick face mill and clean that up and start on the cap. Okay, the box is all kind of finished. I end up using flywheel to have a little bit more shinier finish on the main face and leave corners a little bit more matte, so I'll get that kind of two-tone finish. This is the door I'm going to mount on, and I will use a little bit of brass pin as a hinge. Yellow is her favorite color, so this way we'll have a little accent of yellow there. She just walked in with a bowl of corn. Almost caught me making this gift. Alright, so I'm just going to start engraving. So the first one would be music note in front of the box. I keep stopping and hiding the part because she kept coming in the garage and just don't want her to see it. Okay, next engraving is going to be that personalized message on the back of the door. This engraving is done as well. So I'm just going to flip this and engrave the design on top of the door. For this engraving, I'm going to try to use a 32 thou end mill. This is the smallest tool I ever used in this machine. I'm running at 15,000 RPM. Okay, so we got music box roughly done. All I need, a little bit of polish, some paint filler for this design, some paint for music note, and also for that personalized message. The next one would be mounting this wind up inside it. So you will need a small hole from the side to bring on that handlebar, and 3 mounting holes to hold it down and secure. After that, we're good to go. End up making the hole larger than I intended to. Once I tried to fit it, I figured out the way this thing goes in angle, it needs a little bit larger hole. So it fits perfect. Wish it was a little bit more centered, but it looks okay. Now all we need to do 3 bolts there, and then this will be secure. It's all done and good to go. Kind of matte polish outside walls. The paint inlay for engravings. Installed the wind up mechanism with 3 bolts from behind, and also I used brass pins for hinges. Add extra accent of yellow there, kind of. You guys wanna hear it play? Here it is. And hopefully she likes it. Hi.
That's really cool.
What?
What you just made.
What are you doing here?
I was telling you we had 30 minutes before Rick and Morty.
Thank you for watching.